classmates, welcome back to another video today. I'm actually doing, I don't know if it's the first unboxing video I've ever done, but we're just gonna check out. So, as you know, I uploaded a 2x2 race video, and now what I've got, and I said that there's gonna be a package coming tomorrow, and today is Wednesday, and yesterday was Tuesday. I posted on Tuesday, and now I have the stuff I was talking about. So this is a Rubik's brand Speed Cube. It's probably, you probably can't see the typing, the letters. You can? Mm-hmm. Okay. So you see it says Rubik's Speed Cube Pro Pack. Now this stuff was like $30. Damn, about $45. That is, so we got this, which was about $50 or something like that. So we got this, and I've got also an original Speed Cube, which is called a Gans 356 Air. Just to compare the Speed Cube to this stuff. And I've also got some other cubes and the 2x2 from last time, which I hope this stuff is good. So let's do this. Let's unbox. Let's take this little slow first. Let's unbox the Gans 356 Air. This was $30, so it must be good. Okay, so we open this up. Ooh, it looks pretty. Look at that. I've also got this. This stuff looks pretty good. And we also got some extra pieces, I think. And we finally got the Gans Air. This looks pretty nice. Here we go. Let's crack this thing open. Whoa. Here it is. The Gans Air. Oh. Now satisfying. There we go. Whoa. Here it is. So I'm just gonna sit down here. Here. Okay, guys. Sorry about that little cut. My dad got a phone call for some reason. It always stops the videos, but this was just a little cut. So yeah, this is a very nice, clean cube, and it has really good corner cutting. Let's try corner cutting. Look, right there, 45 degrees. Over 45 degrees. Let's take reverse. Just about that. This cube is amazing. And let's compare it to this cube, which is kind of crappy. As you can see, it's very clicky. It's not very smooth. Not as good as corner cutting, but the Gans is definitely my new main. I love this cube. It's super smooth, and it's just awesome. My new main. So here you go. Just have to come with bits, but we don't really need that. Okay, now on to the real kind of unboxing. The Rubik's brand Speed Cube. Now, I have no idea how to unbox this thing. We're gonna need some scissors. 1 second. I'm gonna go get some scissors really quickly. Okay, so I didn't need scissors anyway. My dad just showed me that you can just do this. So let's open it up. Ooh. I'm excited for this. Ho, ho, ho. Here we go. Out it comes. Out it comes. Boom. Here we go. Let's open this thing up. Ooh. Wow. Let's check the original turning of the Rubik's brand, which also hinge. Not that bad. Doesn't really have that good corner cutting. It's just about too cubey, and it's not that bad. But we also got a little stand that I have no idea how to put. Like that. Yep, like that. Look at that. Stand. And so we also get some lubricant. Lube. And it comes also with a nozzle. Try the stuff back here. Then I'm guessing we put the nozzle right on the top of here. Somehow.
It's going to pop it open, so you might want to wait until you're ready to use it.
Okay, so this is, so we also got a manual and a flathead screwdriver. I'm guessing this is a manual. And we also got some springs, just in case. Okay, let's check this manual. So it shows us how to do it. It's just kind of showing us. This is just kind of showing us how it's made. This is actually showing us what to do. So here it is. It's very tension. So I'm guessing you used a flathead this thing to be able to like kind of pry it open. I'm guessing like that. Or you use your fingernail. Daddy, can you help me quickly? Okay, my dad's gonna. Okay, we're back. Got it? So this might be used for the flathead screwdriver, so. I can't do this. Might need one more cut. Okay, here we go. Take this off the lube. It's already kind of coming out a little bit. Can take this. So you just put it right here. Getting all on my fingers, but that's fine. Here we go. Here's the lube. Let's put this in. So, see, it's kind of loosened. I'm just gonna apply this. You can just kind of do it through here. And then we're just gonna want to do it.
It's coming off.
This is not good.
Gotta twist it on tight. Twist it. Did you get it?
Yep.
There you go.
Okay, I've kind of got a little in my hands, but that's fine. Do you have like a towel anywhere? Oh, you just use this. How convenient. How convenient. This being a paper towel down here. Okay, here we go. No, wait. I also need this to clean this stuff off. Okay, let's. Whoa! Instant improvement on turning speed. Wow. All you gotta do is tighten it up a little bit. And then, okay, where's the thumb? Let's see. Which way do you use to tighten it? This way or this way?
Other way.
Oh, this way.
Feel it getting tighter?
Yeah. Here we go. Got it. Where's the cap? Here we go. It's right here. Let's do this. Put the cap on. I think it goes the other way. Yep. Like this. Then gotta. Can you? Gotta like ply it out again and then do it again. I let my dad do it. So yeah, this cube got a instant improvement. I'm really happy that this actually worked, and it's awesome. It's just I'm just very happy this actually worked. I'm just doing a U-perm, but anyway, I'm really happy that you guys joined in for us to be able to experience this with me. Wait, there we go, there's the U-perm. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. We'll see you all next time.